Hello everyone, in today's video we shall take a look at how you can use Motionity, how you can replace images and text. So let's get started. So a really nice thing about Motionity is you can create a video once and you can use it as a template. So this is a video that I created earlier. It has uh, a text. It has a text and two images and a background. So this is how it looks. So now we shall take a look at how we can easily replace these images and change the text. So let's take a look at how we can change the first image and similarly for the second one as well. So I already imported two images as we need two images right here. So the student image is selected. So holding down control and pasting into place till you see the image and just let go of control and the mouse. So now it's replaced. So let's take a look at it. So there we go. So similarly, we can replace the other image as well. So it's really that simple. So let's take a look at both of the images that are replaced now. So now I'm going to change the text to, let's say, course. And it is really that simple and you just let go of it. So let's take a look at it once again. For this video, course seems to be a little bit too big. So let's go ahead and change it back up. So simply click on the text, it's highlighted. So double click to highlight all of the letters. Simply type in and here you go. So it's really simple. So once you create a template or a video of your choice, you can simply click on this import and export the project, and it's right here. You can give it a name. So in this case, let's do opposite images title transition, and you can simply save it. So that is it. And in case you want to download, you can do so by click on download and selecting the format of your choice. So yeah, so it is really simple and easy. Thank you.